in this video we are going to learn how to change language in DeepSeek AI. First, open your Google Chrome. Now on the search bar type in DeepSeek. After that, click on this Start Now option here. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now you can see this My Profile option which is on the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it. Now click on this Settings option. Here you can see the option Languages. Click on this drop down menu which is written as System. Click on it and here you can see currently you can only change language in two different other languages. One is English and other is Chinese. Currently in this website the language is automatically set on the System option here. So to change to other languages you can click on the respective language. Following the simple and easy step, you can change the language in DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.